All right. Set 4 of the small short words. And I'm very sad. You could probably tell by my voice. I may even cry. Because try as I might, Bear refused to come and help me with this little part of my words. Can you believe that? All this time he's been helping. But suddenly I come across a question mark and, well, he decides he doesn't want to be part of this. And he disappears. I'm so sad. I don't know what's at the end of my stack. You probably can't tell either, but I'm pretty sure it's nothing good. I just miss Bear. Just packed up and left just like that. I'm sad. They may have a tissue for me. I might cry. Oh, I'll try to pull it together. Okay, all right. Does anybody think they can cheer me up a little by telling me what this mark right here is for? We've gone over this a few times last couple days. It's a question mark. It asks a question. Like, who are you? Or where has Bear gone? Or do you know what's at the end of these words? Question mark. Here we go. Lid. Miss. I miss him. Bear, come back. Pig. I did warn Bear not to be a pig and eat all my chocolate. Maybe that's what upset him. Is it really gonna end this way? Hid. You think maybe Bear hid away from me? I don't know. Fill. Fill it up. Ham. I am a ham. No, I eat ham. Hill. I have to park at the top of a hill. In. Jam. Jam. She spread the jam on her toast. Man. The man took a walk. Nap. The man took a walk while his wife took a nap. Wag. The dog will wag its tail. Here's a hard one. The band played patriotic songs. Band. Ooh, good word. Kiss. Now, Bear did mention something about a kiss, and I really don't know. You see, he's been bothering me about my chocolate lately, and I don't really share chocolate very well, I'll have to admit. Maybe Bear got upset because I wouldn't share. I do need to learn how to share better. Alright, let's see what's behind this last card. Bear, you've been there this whole time? And you were eating my last Hershey Kiss. Oh, look, it even says kisses on the Bear. Bear. You even nibbled at it. Bear. I am ashamed of you. It's not stopping you from eating, is it? No. You see, I think Bear likes chocolate just as much as Mrs. Parris. I guess that was our surprise at the end of these cards. Bear, can you stop long enough to say bye? You can? Say bye.